In this video, we'll show you how to remove Gemini from Google Docs. So as you may already know, if you have the Google One subscription, Gemini toolbar now appears at the bottom. You will also see the icon at the top. Now, if you want to remove it, what you need to do is click on this Gemini option and then go to bottom bar preferences and then select turn off. So this will get rid of this toolbar. Now, if you also want to get rid of this icon that appears here, what you need to do is search for uBlock Origin. So simply search for uBlock Origin in Google search and then click on this first link. Now simply click on this get uBlock Origin option. So this will add the extension to your browser. Now make sure the extension is enabled. So you can click on this extensions menu, select uBlock Origin and then click on this power icon so that uBlock Origin can work on this particular page. Now all you have to do is right click on the Ask Gemini icon and then select block element. Once you have done this, simply refresh the page and as you can see the Gemini option is now gone. Now if I click it, it no longer works. I'm seeing the animation but it's no longer working. Now if you want to bring back Gemini at any time, click on the extensions menu, click on uBlock Origin and then turn it off. Finally refresh the page and the Gemini icon will be back. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.